Looking for the perfect shoulder bag that combines style and functionality? Whether you're heading to work, running errands, or enjoying a night out, the right bag makes all the difference. Today, we're counting down 5 incredible women's shoulder bags that deliver excellence. Number 5. Starting at number 5, we have the Bohemian-style large-capacity shoulder bag. This vintage-inspired beauty is perfect for the free-spirited fashionista who values both style and practicality. Featuring a distinctive wide strap design that distributes weight evenly across your shoulder, this bag ensures comfortable all-day wear. The bohemian aesthetic brings artisanal charm to any outfit, making it ideal for casual commuting or weekend adventures. The large-capacity interior offers plenty of room for your daily essentials: laptop, wallet, phone, makeup, and more. Multiple internal pockets keep everything organized and easily accessible. The crossbody style allows for hands-free convenience while shopping or traveling. Crafted with durable materials and reinforced stitching, this bag is built to withstand daily use. Check the description and comments for the link to grab this bohemian beauty. Number 4. Moving up to number 4, the 2023 trendy crossbody shoulder bags collection offers versatile options for the modern woman. This collection includes tote bags and small square bags, giving you multiple styling choices. The 2023 design features contemporary silhouettes that align with current fashion trends. These bags transition seamlessly from office meetings to dinner dates, making them versatile additions to your wardrobe. The crossbody functionality provides security and comfort. Each style features premium hardware, quality zippers, and reinforced straps for lasting performance. The compact yet spacious design holds all essentials without adding bulk. Available in various colors and finishes, the structured shape maintains its form, ensuring a polished look. Check the description and comments for the link to explore this trending collection. Number 3. At number 3, we're featuring the multi-pocket vintage crossbody bag with adorable heart decorations. This hot-selling design combines functionality with romantic charm. The multi-pocket configuration is perfect for organization. Separate compartments for your phone, keys, cards, and cosmetics. The adjustable shoulder strap lets you customize the fit for crossbody or shoulder wear. Large capacity meets compact design in this cleverly engineered bag. The vintage aesthetic with heart embellishments adds a playful yet sophisticated touch. Available in versatile colors including brown, gray, red, and black to match your wardrobe. The monochrome options offer timeless elegance while the fashionable design details keep it contemporary. Perfect for daily use whether running errands, meeting friends, or heading to class. For the link to this charming vintage bag, check the description and comments below. Number 2. Climbing to number 2. The women's letter detail shoulder bag brings elegant sophistication to professional settings. This refined design features subtle letter detailing that adds visual interest. The double handle configuration offers versatility, carry it by hand or over your shoulder for hands-free convenience. The large format provides ample space for work essentials, including laptop, documents, and lunch. Interior organization features keep everything in its place. The structured silhouette maintains a professional appearance throughout your workday. Premium materials and quality construction ensure durability. The neutral, elegant design coordinates beautifully with business attire. Despite its generous capacity, the bag maintains manageable proportions. Perfect for working professionals who demand style and substance. Check the description and comments for the link to elevate your work wardrobe. Number 1. And finally, at number 1, we have the designer-inspired Boston handbag for women, our top pick for sophisticated style. This luxurious design takes inspiration from iconic Boston bag silhouettes while offering modern functionality. The large-capacity interior accommodates everything you need for a full day out. The secure zipper closure keeps your valuables safe while maintaining easy access. Premium polyester lining protects your items. Painted edge details showcase meticulous craftsmanship. The fashionable yet timeless design transcends seasonal trends, making this a wardrobe staple. Versatile crossbody functionality allows comfortable hands-free wear. The structured Boston shape provides a refined look perfect for mature style preferences. Quality hardware ensures longevity. This is an investment in quality and style. For the link to this number 1 designer-inspired beauty, check the description and comments. Thank you for watching our video. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Please like our videos, share them on social media, and leave your comments below. See you in the next video.